fun by the ton at the Fun Farm. So much to see, come on and see it with me at the Fun Farm. At the Fun Farm, at the Fun Farm, it's time for fun! At the Fun Farm, we're always happy. We love to learn and grow, we love to play. At the Fun Farm, come on and join us, and we'll have fun, 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 fun today!
Hi, my name is TJ, and it's time for the FunFarm Show, an educational program for kids. Let's watch it now. Well, it is about time.
Oh, who's the early bird this morning?
Me, because
Okay.
I'm excited about this box.
Oh, neat.
Yeah.
Well, let's welcome our guest first.
Hi.
Okay, welcome back to the Fun Farm, kids and cadets, where we grow fun. And what is fun? It's good, it's
Yep.
good for you, and it's good to enjoy with others.
Yeah, can we
Great
open
to
the
see
box
you.
now?
Yes, we can open the box. I bet you want to know what's in that box.
Oh yeah, I don't know what it says.
Well, it says tools.
Oh,
And these are tools that Mrs. G ordered.
oh,
Yeah.
do we
which
need to
will-
use them today?
Yes, we can. But let's look at the to-do list that Mrs. G wrote to
All
make
right.
sure that,
All right.
well, we want to do things in order because
Yeah.
she takes a lot of pride in making
Oh,
sure
I
that
guess so.
we stay on track. Yes. So, number one,
Yep.
we need to take the tools to the work shed.
Ooh.
Yep. Number two, we need to put the tools away in the work shed.
Okay. Yep.
And then number three, we need to check on the animals.
Right.
Yes.
And then
good.
we can open this box for all that.
We'll open up the box as soon as we get there, I promise.
Okay.
And the tools will be lots of fun to work with and help
Okay.
us make our jobs easier.
Yep.
Okay, but patience.
Oh, what is that?
These things take a certain amount of time.
Oh.
And patience is when you are okay with how long something might take. You
Well,
can't.
What if I want them to move faster?
Well, think about baking a cake. You don't just eat the batter. You need to put it in the pan. You need to cook it. You need to put it out of the oven. You need to let it cool. You need to put the frosting on. And then you can enjoy it. That takes time.
Well, I guess so, but
So,
what if I just want to eat the frosting?
well, then you just have to be patient for that too, because you have to make the frosting. You have to get it out. You have to mix up the ingredients, and then you have the frosting to eat. So everything takes a certain amount of time.
Okay.
But you will get more patient the more you practice patience.
All right.
Yeah. So let's practice that today.
Okay.
Okay. And how are we going to get to the work shed,
The
kids and
kazoo.
cadets? Oh,
Yeah, the kazoo.
yeah, that's right. All right, and I have it right here. Now, you
Yep.
are sitting on the tool box,
Oh, okay.
the box, the crate's full of tools.
Yep.
So because you're sitting on it, we're going to carry it with us magically.
Oh,
all right.
So, wait, how
So
am
you-
I going to do that?
You just sit on it, and it will fly over with it.
Okay.
Okay? So you're just kind of touching it, and that's good enough because we're thinking work shed, work
Yep.
shed, work shed, right?
Yep.
Kids and cadets think work shed, and let's get ready to go there.
Yep. Yep.
Kazoo!
Oh, wow. That was fun.
And here we are in the work shed.
Yeah.
Good job.
Yeah.
Good job, kids and cadets.
And the toolbox came with us.
And you did a good job keeping it in your mind so that it came
Yeah.
with us.
Yeah, thank you.
Well, good. Well, let's see what's inside.
Yeah.
And I'm going to help you move to a different spot so
Oh.
that you can see very well.
Oh, okay.
And you're not in the way of maybe accidentally getting scratched or something.
Okay. Can you
Okay.
help me over?
Here we go.
Oh, thank you.
Let's put you over here on these
drop me.
nice, soft hay bales.
Oh, thank you.
Is that better?
Yeah, it's cushy.
Good. Good. Okay. Let's take the lid off.
Okay.
Ooh.
Oh, what are
new
those?
Tools. Yes,
What?
I see a little shovel,
Yep.
a little rake,
Okay.
and a little set of clippers.
Oh, what are clippers?
They're for trimming trees.
Oh,
Yeah, so that the branches don't get in the way when we're mowing the lawn or just walking about,
oh, all
because
right.
that can hurt.
Oh, yeah.
So let's put them away.
Okay. One. Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Two.
Uh-huh.
Yep. Three.
We got them all done.
Yeah.
That was fun.
Yeah, it was.
And it'll be fun using new tools,
Yeah.
getting more work done more quickly.
I don't know if I can handle those, but I can try.
Well, we can all try. We can all learn. We can all grow. And the trying is the important part.
Yeah.
You don't want to just not try.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, what's next on our to-do list, TJ?
Is trees? We have trees,
We have
right?
to go see the animals.
Oh. all right.
Yes. So, kids and cadets, we're thinking about going to the pet pen, all right, to check on the animals. Remember, pet pen,
Yep.
pet pen, kids and cadets. Here we go. Kazoo. Ha!
Oh,
I
that was-
love traveling by kazoo.
yeah, that was fun.
And here we are in the pet pen,
Oh, yeah.
and we're checking on a frog.
Oh, what's a frog?
Well, a frog has flippers
Okay.
and big eyes
Oh,
and a really long tongue.
oh.
Yeah.
So it looks like that.
Oh, that's funny, TJ. I was thinking more of this.
Oh, Jeff.
What's wrong with Jeff?
Jeff likes to hop on my shell all the time when we're in the pond.
Oh, yeah.
Real annoying sometimes.
Well, at least he doesn't hit you with his long tongue.
yeah.
They
I
use
guess
that
so.
to catch bugs, which is why they're very important on the Fun Farm. So
No, we
take
have
care of the
we have
bugs.
that in common. We both
Yeah.
like bugs.
Well, I see Jeff over there in the little kiddie pool, just swimming and relaxing for a little bit.
Yeah.
He's very active in the evening.
Yeah, I'm sure he is.
Well, we'll leave Jeff alone for now,
Yeah.
and let's go back to the barn, okay?
Yeah.
All right, think barn, kids and
Fine.
cadets.
Yeah.
Barn, TJ.
Mm-hmm.
Kazoo! I really enjoy our time on the porch taking a break.
Oh yeah, me too. It's nice and relaxing,
Mhm.
shady. you know.
Yeah. Are you okay, though?
Oh, I've been better.
What happened?
Well, I was down by the pond, swimming like I do.
Oh, I like
hanging out with
swimming.
my family and siblings, and
Mhm.
I saw a family of geese.
Oh, I like geese, too.
I'd never seen one in person before.
Yeah,
so
they're big.
I was real excited. I swam up to them and I
Mhm.
said, "Hi, my name's TJ," and then they hissed at me.
Oh, they were mean to you.
Yeah,
Did they have babies with them?
well, I think so. They're little baby goose.
Ah, yeah. Well, that's it. When they come into the area and they have kids, then they're doing what good parents do, and they're being very protective of their kids.
You know,
But it comes off as mean, so you don't quite know what to do about that.
it was a little off.
Yeah, but one thing you can always do,
Oh, what's that?
just remove yourself from the situation.
Oh,
Just walk away.
okay.
Yeah, if someone's got you down, don't hang around.
Oh, well, I think I'll try that next time.
Sure, we're all learning. You know what else will help you feel better?
Oh, what's that?
Lunch.
Oh,
Yeah. Oh, that's Mrs. G ringing the bell. Let's go see what she's got for us.
okay.
Wow, that was a great adventure. But don't go away. Here's another one.
Oh,
And we're back in the barn.
oh,
Good job, kids and cadets.
yeah. No, it's real nice in here.
Yeah, and it's been a pretty nice day, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Not too much work.
No, not too much, but
Things are doing very well.
and now we get to go home.
Uh-oh, what's this?
What? Oh no.
It's a
Oh.
message from Mrs. G.
Oh boy, yay.
Well, let's see what it says. Thanks for putting the tools away.
Mm-hmm.
Meet me in the garden. We'll plant some flowers.
All right.
But we get to use the new tools.
No, yeah, you're right. I guess that's still fun.
It'll be quick.
Okay,
Mrs. G wants to get done with her to-do list too.
okay, fine.
So we'll help her, and then we can maybe have some pie.
Ooh,
Yeah.
oh, I do like
That's something
pie.
else Mrs. G really makes a good pie.
I do really like pie.
Yes. And
Yep.
maybe she'll have a special one with worms in it, just
Ooh.
for you.
Oh, that does sound nice.
Yes. So let's help her, and then we'll help ourselves a pie.
Yeah.
So, kids and cadets, our work's not done.
Yep.
We're having some fun.
Yeah.
It's time for you to go.
We'll see you next time, kids and cadets, on the Fun Farm Show.